Okay everybody, today I'm working in Figma. Figma is a vector graphics application that's specifically geared towards screen design, so making things like websites, UI design, mobile app design, etc. But also works really good for digital ads and social media images as well. And that's how I'm using it here. And I just want to show you how easy it is to trick the eye. And this is a vector graphics application, like I said, and for most image manipulation tasks, I will reach for something like Photoshop or a comparative of Photoshop that would allow me to do pixel editing. But there's sometimes simple solutions that are the most time efficient. And in this case, it was covering up the little logo on the vest of the figure here in this ad. And as you can see, I just used a vector shape to do that, and I want to show you how quick we can accomplish that in Figma. So I'm just going to hit P on the keyboard to select my pen tool. I'm just going to plot a few points here. I'm not going to worry about clicking and dragging to create curves. I'm just going to create straight lines, and then we'll tidy up our vector shape here just by holding the Control key, and we can then pull our curves and get really precise this way with as few points as needed. So then I'm just going to go right over here to my properties panel, remove the stroke. We don't need the stroke, and I'm going to add a fill. Then we're going to click on my swatch here, grab my eyedrop tool, and then we're going to sample the color of the jacket here, this vest color, just like that. And now when I zoom out to 100%, you can barely even see that something's been covered up there. Now granted, we don't have the texture matching here, but in a pinch, that's how I've done this. And I've just made sure that it's behind any other layers like this red glow here. I want to make sure that it's behind anything that would be affecting the image the same way. And that's just how easy it was to cover up that logo. So there's no other branding going on in this particular ad. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.